Well, good morning on day 3 of the Disney Wonder Halloween on Ice Siege cruise. Can y'all see me? You probably can't. There we go. So today we got a massage at 9. Sorry, I'm just waking up. I have to download some videos and move all that content over to my computer. But anyways, my kids watching videos right now, and we're gonna go to do the 9 o'clock couples massage, and then after that, we may end up hanging out with some friends of ours. Come on board. Today is gonna be a pool day. We're in Cabo, St. Lucas today, but everybody that's wanting to go to excursions, they're all gonna get off the boat. So we're gonna take advantage and hang out at the pool and drink a little bit and just enjoy the ship not being so full. Coming into the port right now, so yep, Cabo San Lucas, here we are. So we're just gonna this way. We're just gonna take the advantage from everybody being off the ship to be like, hey, this is open. Oh, this is open. This is open. A lot of people getting off the ship. So anyways, all right, we'll catch y'all up after we go drop off the girls and get up to Sense Spa. All right. So this is the couples villa spa. Behind here is the part that we didn't schedule, but as you can see, there's a day bed, jacuzzi, yeah, and then there's your shower, your feet. So you look right out at the ocean, and that is like a 2-hour event. So yeah, that was like way more expensive. It was like $500.
Well, it's the timing too.
Yeah, and it was the timing too. So they already had signed. Yeah, so if you're gonna want to do that, you need to book way in advance for that. That way you get the time that you want.
Unless
so
you have free time.
But anyways, we got to get undressed and get these massages done. So we'll talk to you guys after the massage.
Hey,
I'm not gonna tell people that we got the mimosas. We got the mimosas with us, okay? So. Oh my God. So, okay. We just had our massage. Oh. I'm gonna pick up the girls in a minute. This is a really great massage, man. Like, we did the couples massage, we did the aroma. What was it? Aroma stone therapy? Yeah.
Aromatherapy.
Yeah, aroma stone therapy. Man, dude, like, I'm so relaxed. I just want to go to sleep right now. Okay? Like, she ended up snoozing over there. She was snoring. I heard the ladies that we had, they started laughing at her. So, but we had some really great massage therapists do it. Ooh, yeah, I'm tired, man. Shit. So we just came back to the room. We gotta get our souvenir cup for the pool, and also too, it is pirate night, so we'll be dressing up in pirate night after we do the pool. We're staying on the ship because we're at Cabo right now, so we're hanging out, and then we shall see what happens. It's about 10:30 right now. Ship time, so we're gonna go get the girls, go to the pool, and then maybe we got some food, nap, and then get ready for pirate night. So we'll catch you guys up at the pool. All right. Alright, so before we go to the pool, we gotta go get the baby. The nursery just texted us through the app, so basically she has woken up and we got her change of clothes for the pool, so we're just gonna go get her and go up to the top deck. All right, see you in a second. Yep, it's that way. So, so since we're in Cabo, I checked out the line. Everybody's lining up at Buena Vista Theater, and the line is super long to get off the ship. And I'm like, yes, everybody's getting off the ship. Get the hell on in. Get off. So we're about to stay on the ship today and chill out on the full deck. There's not gonna be no line. There's no line for anything now. Characters gonna be out. There's gonna be activities and stuff. There's still gonna be stuff to do on the ship. Just everybody wants to go to Cabo, and it's like, well, dang, that's like 1,000 people off the ship. This is great. So yeah, it's crazy. So yeah, this is a little crazy. All right. Wow. I will catch up with you guys in a second. So really quick, we're on the pool deck. Okay. So our little one wanted to take some pictures with some of the cast members here. The staff is really great, man. Like it's been from our room attendant all the way up to meeting. I passed by the captain the other day, and he was like, "Oh, hello, sir. How are you doing? Oh, are you YouTubing?" And I had just stopped recording. I should have picked up the conversation, but it's all right. This happened, I want to say yesterday, maybe. What's today? Day 3. So yeah, so day 2, and I was with one of my cruise friends, and and then other staff members were like, "Hey, YouTube, all right." So but they've been great, man. Like the level of service so far has been, I don't know, it's wow. I guess that's what you pay for. If there's a way, they can make it happen. So yeah, this is day 3. We're gonna go down to the Aqua Lab and the Dory's Reef. The pool is pretty empty right now. There's nobody here. Here, sure, like. So yeah, so there's nobody here for the pool. It's a bit hot out here, but that's to be expected because we're down south. So hey, I'm gonna go up top real quick to go look at the other ships while I'm vlogging this. Just give me like that one. Okay.
There's a stairs on the side.
Okay. Oh, I see it. I see the opening. Yeah. Whew. Oh, vibe is right here. And the concierge lounge. All right. So we have the Carnival Spirit and the Navigator of the Seas. And both of these ships came out of Los Angeles, LA Harbor. They are our cruise buddies over there. Everybody's getting off and going to Cabo. This is crazy because the Port of Cabo is about to be really, really busy. So you see all the ships, the little boats out there fishing. You got excursions out there happening right now. You got just some of everything. People on jet skis, the jet ski excursion, and then I think there's like a hotel resort one, and I think there's zip line. There's all kind of stuff. You got the famous rocks over there. So I got to get back to my family, but yeah, I just wanted to show y'all. So Navigator of the Seas, Carnival Spirit out of Los Angeles Harbor. Okay, this is the splash pad. It's not open right now. There's your slide right there. It's the Aqua Lab. They got a small little kiddie pool right there. And then this is Dory's Reef in here. So this area over here is primarily for kids. I think it's 6 months to 3 for Dory, and it's an Aqua Lab as well. But I think the pools, you got to be 3 and above with potty trained. They don't allow swim diapers in the pool, so just keep that in mind. All right. Anyways, all right, we're about to go have a little fun, and I'll catch you guys later.
Say hi, Dory.
Hello.
Play with the water. Mira, allá, mi amor. Ve a pisar el agua. Mira, mi vida. Allá.
Alright, so did the slide, did the pool, did the aqualad, did the Dory's Reef. Kind of tapped out. We were waiting on some friends to come up here to come hang out with us, but they I don't know, I guess the wife of the family was on the phone the whole time trying to figure something out. So you know what, we having a blast. I tried to get the husband and the kids up here, but they never came up. So if y'all watching this video, I was hoping y'all was gonna come up here with us and hang out, but it is what it is. We'll probably cross paths tonight for Pirate Night. So after this, I think we're gonna go put the girls in the bath, have them take a nap. I might take a nap myself and then get ready to go to dinner and do Pirate Night. So I will catch up with you guys later. All right.
Did you find any treasure today? No? Gotcha. But did you go to the place where the treasure is? Did you go to the beach today? No. Did you walk around a little bit? Yeah, no?
I do have my mom. I only took
Oh.
So in the middle of us taking pictures, I think we got a Mickey picture that was pretty cool. My parents showed up and told us a story about how they got a anniversary gift from Disney, the cruise line. Heard that it was my parents' anniversary, and they gave them the champagne and ice and what was it, 2 glasses? It was like a whole package. Come here. But in the midst of all this, somebody needs to go get changed. So yeah, hanging out with the little ones, huh? All right. You know, like, yeah. This is why sometimes you just can't do nothing, man. Sometimes you just go with the flow. So we're gonna go back to the room, change her, and then we'll catch up with everybody at the end of it. All right. See you all in a minute. So we decided to come to French Quarter. As you can see behind us. Okay, and we're at the bar right here. So he's gonna get us. What did we just order?
Bailey Kahlua coffee.
A Bailey Kahlua coffee type over ice. So I think he's gonna put it in a martini glass. But yeah, so trying to wake us up a little bit. We are, yeah, right. So oops. So we still got a kind of a longer night ahead of us. So we're about to go to dinner, and I got to change this battery. So at some point, but yes, we're gonna go to Triton's tonight for Pirate Night, and I think we're gonna try the jerk chicken. That's what my dad saw on the menu, and he was like, "Ooh, I'm gonna try jerk chicken." I was like, "Really? How come you gotta take my?" That's what I wanted to try. So, but yeah, we'll see how the food for Pirate Night goes. Anyways, all right, pick your y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. This is the what is this? The pirate? What is it? The Pirate's Nest. So this Pirate's Nest. This Pirate's Nest is the drink of choice for Pirate Night. So we're gonna try this out real quick. Let me get the. Oh, hold on. You gonna come with me? Okay. Woo. This thing is huge. All right.
Because we forgot to do a patch today, so that's your patch now.
It's got ginger in it. Got rum. Oh yeah. Yep. It's got that ginger and rum in it. That's pretty good. You got it? All right. Thank you. Yeah, you go. Yummy. Full my tummy. There you go, Imani. Does it look good, Imani?
I don't like them. I have to like these.
Yeah. You don't have to eat those, Imani. Yeah, you can keep rocking.
Stop cutting, baby, because you're in his way.
Yeah.
So you're so VIP. Dining room server coming to cut your food. Yum. Yummy. Enjoy.
All right, thank you.
Oh, girls are good, too. Come on. You should be hungry.
So if y'all didn't realize now, this is what, day 3. Y'all didn't realize when the kids get their food, the servers come over and they cut up the meat for them, which is
You had a great time today, Pirates?
pretty good. Yeah, thank you, man.
Amazing. So don't forget tonight, we have some Pirates party at 8:05 right at deck 9.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Did they change it from 7:30?
So it's not 7:30?
No, it's around 8:05 there. So it starts probably there. So we want to finish with dinner first, and then we go straight there.
Okay.
Thank you so much. It starts from there.
Okay. So
What deck is that?
that's deck 9. That's with the fireworks.
Oh, I'm gonna see that.
Yeah. So, okay, we just got told that times change. See, that's why you gotta kind of keep your eyes and ears open about when things change. I guess the party tonight is gonna be after our dinner, but before the next set. I thought it was at 7:30, so we're still gonna try and beat out the clock to get up to the stairs at 7:30. And if it does start later, then we'll just be there already for the party and whatever else. So yeah, all right. Try this crab cake right now.
No more. Only the last bite. And then you're gonna have
You're making now. I'm not eating that one.
All right. Man, that's pretty good. The crab cake is on point. Yep.
Can I see your band here? This one? No, this one.
Hey.
Why you put the Mickey bar? Okay, wait a minute. Put it right here. Put it right here. Okay.
Oh, you know what? Oh, no.
You want to try it? Is it good? It's okay. You can pick it up. It's fine. It's good, huh? There you go. Oh my God. Woo. Oh my God. Look at that. That's beautiful. Oh my God. Okay. Well, trying that and jerk chicken. Yep. Oh my God. With the sauce? Mmm. Peace. Carefully, money. All right. So I'm trying this lamb.
It's like it down.
Let's see what it is.
Yeah, it's like it down. I didn't install
Okay, so this veal shank and osso buco is pretty good. That was on point. So no, it's not a lamb. It's whatever the hell it is. Look, it's good. I think it's a baby lamb. It does taste like lamb. Your mommy has to look at it too. Wow, look at that. Came into the room and got that. Oh yeah, that's famous.
From the Screw Staff team, let me hear you say yo! Well, to my left, I have the best looking pirate always. Don't you give it up for Arso!
No worries, mateys. It's me, your old pirate pal, Mickey Mouse. Our Pirates in the Caribbean party is about to start, and I just wanted to tell you that no matter what happens tonight, I'm on your side.
Disney World, if you're ready to party like a pirate, let me hear you say "Arr!"
Hello, everybody.
And let your cheers rock the seas, for it be Pirate Goofy!
It's dancing time!
Keep on dancing! Let's burn those heads! And clap! And wave! And clap! You got it! And wave! And clap! Now let's do the world most live! Here we go! Mickey? Yes! Everyone say Mickey! 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 Mickey!
Not bad, Hook. But now, let a hero show you how it's really done.